So in Bridge Academy's 8th grade system, we go to the 5th grade, which is the human anatomy, the full figure. We saw in the 4th book how to draw a portrait, a face, various kinds. After this, we come to the full body and we follow the same measurement system. So let us go to the measurements. We draw a vertical line and divide it into 8 parts. Each part is called a head because in the top one part comes the head. And then we go to the hip, which comes at the center. The slightly upper division is for the waist, and 1/3 in the second division will be the shoulder. The quarter comes the knees, lower quarter comes the knees, and the bottom line is for the ankles. Now we draw the shoulders and the forearms, and the elbow comes to the waistline. The broadest area in the body is the hip, then comes the shoulder, then comes the waist, then comes the knees and the ankles. Now we curved it out and we add details, and we can even add a dress. Now we go to the profile. The same measurements are taken. One head, elbow at the waist, and the open hand comes to the middle of the thigh. The thighs, calf muscles, and the feet. Now the foot drawn in the profile. That's the palm. So, in the Bridge Academy's 8th grade system, we come to the 5th grade, which is the human anatomy. Like the face measurements, like the face system, this too has a measurement system which is 8 heads, meaning a vertical line is drawn. You'll see that vertical line is drawn and it's divided into 8 parts, and one part is going to be the head. So the bodies vary from person to person, of course we know that, but generally for drawing we take 8 heads as measurement and various parts of the body fall in various divisions.